Okay, take 2.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. We're wrapping up the last week of... That's what I get every time. I get hit with that water bottle every damn time.
And start from busy summer.
Busy summer. Let me wait for them to be done with whatever the fuck they're doing.
Take 3.
Alright, this week's episode's a recap of summer. We're in the last week of summer right now, so we're going to show you some eye candy of projects that you guys may have not been able to see yet. Some really cool stuff as we finish out the summer. So take a look at that, subscribe, like, and I hope we see you guys next week, next Friday, for our next drop. Cool?
Sheesh. 8th take.